Hey everyone, my name is Richard and I'm from Group 1. And last week we were assigned to do the presentation of one of the knowledge management cycle, which is the Zack and Meyer knowledge management cycle. And we from Group 1 have divided the presentation to about 6 parts, which is the first one is the definition of knowledge management. The second one is definition of Zack and Meyer knowledge management cycle. The third one is for the acquisition step. The fourth one is the refinement step. The fifth one is the storage step. And the sixth one and the last one is distribution and presentation step. And I hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is James Onggo from class LF11. So today I'm gonna tell you about knowledge management cycle. What is knowledge management cycle? Knowledge management cycle is a process of transforming information into knowledge within an organization. The importance of implementing this knowledge management cycle in an organization or company solely because it wants to make the organization know that the company is good and directed. There are various definitions of knowledge management and also the definition of knowledge that develop but has not reached a global agreement.
Thank you, James, for the presentation of the knowledge management cycle. Now I wanted to present to you about one of the models of knowledge management cycle, which is the Zack and Meyer knowledge management cycle, or the Meyer and Zack knowledge management cycle. First, it was originated in 1996, and it is considered one of the popular one amongst the other ones. The primary focus of this knowledge management cycle is the quality or the value of the information products. You may ask why we consider these information products as the valuable thing of an organization. I want to explain to you a bit. If the value of the information products increase, then the value of the organization knowledge will increase as well. I repeat, if the value of the information products increase, then the value of the organization knowledge will increase as well. Thus, this creates a positive relationship among the information products that we want to build along the process of knowledge management and the organization knowledge that we want to reach as a team, as an organization. The physical product of the cycle can be explained by the storage that we use to store the knowledge, or as you may say, the knowledge database. Meyer and Zack already analyzed that a good knowledge database will support a good knowledge management cycle. And this cycle consists of several stages. The first one is acquisition stage, the second one is refinement stage, the third one is storage stage, the fourth one is distribution stage, and the fifth one is presentation stage. And here I will show you the high-level view of the Zack and Meyer cycle. As you can see, there are a product platform that consists of repository, content, and structure, and on the right side there is a product family that consists of content, packaging format, access, distribution, and interactivity. By the mean of product family, that means the product that are used by the users. And you can see the steps of the cycle, that are the acquisition, refinement, storage, distribution, and presentation. The brief explanation of the stages will be explained by my friend later. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening and enjoy the next one. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Steven from class LF11. Before I start, there is 4 steps of Zack knowledge management cycle. The first one is acquire step. The next is refinement, then storage, and the last one is distribution and presentation. I'm gonna explain the first stage of the knowledge management cycle. This is the stage where organization going to acquire information needed for knowledge processing. The organization need to pay attention for the scope, depth, credibility, accuracy, relevance, cost, and control. This stage, the acquire stage, is a very important stage because it is the stage where the knowledge processing is start from this stage. If this stage is unorganized well, the next step is gonna be a disaster for the knowledge processing system. Thank you.
Okay, I will explain about refinement. Refinement is the primary source of added value. It can be physical, like migrating from one medium to another, or logical, like restructuring, relabeling, indexing, and integrating. Refining also defines cleaning up, like sanitizing content, so as to ensure complete anonymity of sources and key player involved, or standardizing, like converting to templates of a best practice or lessons learned as used within that particular organization. Some resource explain about refining. Refining is information that has been obtained in the previous stage and then reprocessed and adapted to the needs of a company. In addition, do not forget to choose which is really adds value to the information that has been chosen by the company, so that selected information is right on target. This stage also adds up to the value by creating more readily usable knowledge objects and by sorting the content more flexibility for future use. After calls and surveys in acquiring phase, in refine we analyze, interpret, report, and then edit and format, and the last one decompose into key units, index, and link.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Adiwarsita from class LF11. I want to explain about knowledge management, especially about storage process. Alright, storage process or retrieval. Storage or retrieval forms a bridge between the upstreams, addition, and refinement states that fit the repository and downstream states of product generation. Storage can be physically, for example, file folders and print information, as well as digital like database and knowledge management software. These steps are important on knowledge management process in the organization because this step is the combination between the previous steps, where the data that the organization collected before already got selection process and will be saved by the organization. That's right. Thank you.
Okay, after getting through the selection and storage phase that has been explained by my fellow groupmate, the information eventually will undergo the distribution phase, which is how the information get distributed to the specific audience whom will be needing that information in order to improve their work performance. The phase doesn't only contain of the medium such as the medium of the delivery such as fax, email, but also its timing, frequency, language, and so on that may need to be specified. I'll give you an example. The public relation division of a company has collected some feedback from the customer. Let's say it's a review of the product that the company sells. In order to make use of this feedback, they share this feedback document to many other divisions that may help them improve their work by email. They will also summarize the review to a number of paragraphs report so that it will be understood better by the other division, such as sales division, marketing division, quality assurance division. This feedback will help them to understand more of what the customer really wants. Next is about presentation phase. This is the last phase of the cycle, and it explains about how the user will make use of that information, just as like the example I have given you. The receiver of the information will implement their own strategy for work improvement based on what was on the information. The example is like sales division, which receives user feedback information document from the PR division, just like before the example that I have given you before. From that document they can learn about what the customer really wants. Thus, from that information, they will make a strategy to make use of it in order to achieve improvement for their division. Okay, so that's it for distribution and presentation phase.